Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. So, here I am with current affairs 17 June 2021. Naftali Bennett is the new Prime Minister of A. Russia, B. Israel, C. Nigeria, D. Japan. The answer is B. Israel. Naftali Bennett has been selected as the new Prime Minister of Israel after Benjamin Netanyahu lost his 12-year-old tenure. Raja Parva is a famous festival of A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Sikkim, C. Odisha, D. Goa. The correct answer is C. Odisha. Raja Parva, a 3-day festival celebrating womanhood, is being celebrated across the state of Odisha. During this period, it is believed that Mother Earth menstruates and prepares for future agricultural activities with arrival of monsoon. Medicines from the Sky has been project in A. Uttarakhand, B. Telangana, C. Odisha, D. Manipur. The correct answer is B. Telangana. E-commerce major Flipkart has announced that it has partnered with Telangana government to lead a consortium under the Medicines from Sky project.
यही नहीं, अभी और सुनिए।
The United Nations Development Programme released an independent appraisal report on India's ADP. In the term ADP, what is the meaning of D? A. District, B. Duration, C. Democracy, D. Deliberate. The correct answer is A. District. As per the report, the program has resulted in sectoral growth and improvements in government, grants and administration. It analyzes the progress of ADP and made recommendation for improvement. UNDP India representative handed over the report to Niti Aayog. Government has simplified registration process for MSMEs. Now only these two documents are needed to register MSME. A. PAN card and Aadhaar, B. PAN card and GST, C. GST and current bank account, D. CIN and PAN. The correct answer is B. PAN card and GST. The government has simplified the registration process for the micro, medium and small enterprise MSMEs. Now only PAN card and Aadhaar will be required for registration of MSMEs. This was announced by the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Minister Nitin Gadkari.
मोदी है तो मुमकिन है।
National award-winning film actor Sanchari Vijay has passed away recently. He was associated with which cinema? A. Tamil, B. Bengali, C. Kannada, D. Malayalam. The correct answer is C. Kannada. Vijay acted in a slew of Kannada films including Dasavla, Harivu, Ograrane, Killing Verappan, Vardhamana and Sipai among others. He rose to fame with the film Nanu, Avanalu Avalu, which also fetched him National Award in 2014 for acting. Recently, NCPCR has asked social media platform to share the origin of post advert using the direct adoption of COVID orphans. What does second C stand for in NCPCR? A. Committee, B. Commission, C. Child, D. COVID. The correct answer is C. Child. National Commission for Protection of Child Rights has asked social media platform to share information about the social media post being published for direct adoption of children. orphaned during COVID-19 pandemic. The decision came in the wake of complaints received by Commission against social media posts which had been posted for giving children for adoption.
ठीक है भाई, ओके भाई, ठीक है भाई, मैं चलता हूँ, ओके ओके बाय, ओके बाय।
Thank you.